I'm just so happy, you guys. Like, I went from bra strap length to almost waist length in just 2 months. Hey you guys, in this video I'm going to review this wonderful product for you guys. It actually works, you guys. Like, I've never had a product legit grow my hair like this one does. I want to say it was about 2 videos ago now, maybe 3. It was the video that I put up about growing your hair under wigs. If you have not watched that yet, you probably should in order to understand what I did in order to get here. I'll make sure I link that video above and below for you guys. So what I've been using in order to grow my hair is the NaturAll Jamaican Black Castor Oil Growth Serum. There are 4 scents for this growth oil. There is lemon, orange, lavender, and then there's the unscented. I asked for lavender and I had also asked for the orange. So they had sent me 2 of each of these. And then for my deep conditioner, I took the quiz on their website because they have 3 different types of solutions. There's one for dry hair, damaged hair, and there is one for dull hair. So I strongly recommend taking the quiz first before you go ahead and choose a deep conditioner. I did try out the damaged hair solution over the course of the past 2 months. I am going to go ahead and insert the clips from that and my final thoughts. See how this goes. Oh, automatically it melted into my hair. Wow. Y'all, the slip on this thing is unmatched. Y'all, NaturAll Club done did it again. Look at this, because I haven't even gone under my steamer yet, and look at that already. Just beautiful. It's so soft. My tangles are melting away. After deep conditioning and all that stuff, I would make sure to put the oil in my hair, and in their subscription email it says to put a dime size amount directly on your scalp. I didn't even believe in the whole Jamaican Black Castor Oil thing, which is the crazy part about this entire thing. I didn't want to jump on that bandwagon because I don't like how Jamaican Black Castor Oil makes my hair feel, but I do find that working it directly onto my scalp works so much better than trying to distribute it all over. The best part about this is that this oil doesn't have just Jamaican Black Castor Oil in it. There are several oils in this one oil. There is vitamin E for repair, jojoba oil for moisture. The scents that are in there are also added for shine. And I do notice that when I put this in my hair, it is extra shiny. It's a misconception that Jamaican Black Castor Oil alone makes your hair grow. And that's exactly what I said in my natural hair rules that I broke. You know, Jamaican Black Castor Oil is meant to strengthen your hair. If it's strong, it won't break, and therefore you will retain length and see hair growth. But they have also added in other things in order to ensure you're going to be able to retain that length. I know a lot of you that follow me and watch me swear by Jamaican Black Castor Oil, so I was like, I'm going to give this a try. Last week of March, I did a length check and then I put my hair up, and then about a week later I went back in and I trimmed it a little bit. If you want to see how I trim my hair, I'll make sure I link that video above and down below as well. But my hair was a bit shorter than the picture actually shows because I did cut it afterwards. I decided to put back on the same exact shirt and then compare where my hair was on the letters of the shirt to see the actual growth. Just looking by the pictures alone, I can see it's more than 2 inches that I have retained over the past 2 months. Now, hair only grows at 0.5 inches every month. That's the normal average. For me to retain 2 inches in 2 months, for me to double the rate of my hair growth with just a hair growth oil is absolutely unbelievable. With that being said, you guys need to check out this oil. It is super affordable. The 2-ounce bottle is $9. The 2-ounce should last you a while, especially if you're following directions and only use a dime size amount. So NaturAll Club is actually sponsoring a giveaway for the hair growth serums. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you enter your name in the Google Doc that will be in my description box below. That is where we will be picking a winner from. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram and follow NaturAll Club on Instagram. I will make sure that both Instagrams are left down below. Make sure you follow them. Do not lie to me because I will be checking you guys. And yeah, that's all the rules for the giveaway. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment down below your thoughts. If you have tried this brand before, if you haven't, let me know if you're thinking about trying it now after watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more of these videos.
and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.